whisper by directions. Let the truth begin. We will know so much at the end of our journey. So we make the decision to renew our lives to stay worthy. 'Cause we know what to do. We know who we are. Called into the fall. They'll come apart too. Let's do this trust. Yes, we truly are the Church of God. People of God, make your voices rise. We are the ones who are given this right. Sing His love, give Him glory. People of God, let His praise reach out. We were once lost, but now we are found. Sing His love, give Him glory. We will never lose focus in sharing the truth of God's promise. He wants the one to notice. There's nothing that can stop us 'cause we know what to do. We know who we are. To the Lord, they'll come apart too. Let's do this just. Yes, we truly are. All of the Church of God. People of God, make some voices up. We are the ones who are given